A 53-year-old man in Shillington, Pennsylvania was accidentally shot by his dog while cleaning his shotgun. The dog jumped on the bed where the loaded shotgun was placed, causing it to discharge and strike the man. He was transported to Reading Hospital for surgery. The incident occurred at 11:15 p.m. and police initially were unsure of the cause of the shooting. The investigation is ongoing. No updates on the man's condition have been provided. This bizarre accident serves as a reminder of the importance of firearm safety and proper storage, especially in homes with pets.